Anushka. This Anushka.
What? I think he's not known for the problems. He's known for the achievements. So I think that's like a thing that motivates me.
I told you today. I told you today.
आपके लाइफ में कुछ फनी मोमेंट है?
इसकी life में
Yeah.
funny moment.
What can I say?
Anything funny, bro?
I'm thinking. I have nothing funny. I have only sad stuff.
Tell about
Okay,
someone.
tell about sad itself.
Okay, I'm actually going to Bombay next week to study.
Okay.
I'm shifting to Bombay next week to study. So I'm gonna miss all my friends, and yeah, it's gonna be very emotional. I'm hanging out with all my friends before leaving Bangalore. So yeah, that's about it.
हाँ, बस
Who is your inspiration?
My inspiration.
Yeah, both.
My inspiration is probably my mom.
Why?
She's always been a very fun person to hang around. She's always been my inspiration day to day, like working around at home as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yours?
You?
mine. I think Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
Okay, why?
I think because he had a pretty tough time itself. He was always involved in some or the other problem.
Okay.
But I think he's not known for the problems. He's known for the achievements. So I think that's like a thing that motivates me.
Okay. Like, what is the best advice you have received in your life?
Oh, best advice.
Yeah.
If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. And go with the flow. Don't worry about how people judge you, because everybody is gonna judge eventually. Just have fun and live life. It's honestly the best thing to do. Best medicine, and laughter is the best medicine for sure.
You?
I think for me, it's people remember you for the good things you've done in life, and not for the problems that come. So for something for you might be a big deal. कि ऐसा लगेगा कि things are falling down, but it's a lot of times it's just you who's overthinking, and it's like it's not a big deal.
Do you want to tell thanks for anybody in your life?
All my friends and family for sure. I think my friends have been a very big part in my life in Bangalore, and I'll definitely miss them from the bottom of my heart. It's a big thank you to them for making my life, for 18 years life here, very very memorable. And yeah, that's about it.
Same for me. I think my friends, whoever was like nice to me.
One word for your friends.
Sorry?
One word for your friends.
One word for our friends. That I love you all so much, and thank you so much for being the light in my life. Genuinely, it's been a very big roller coaster having me in my life, in your life. But genuinely, I appreciate everybody who's tolerated me as a friend, and yeah, that's about it.
And I think for me, it's just like, again, thank you for just accepting me for who I am. That's all.
So, what's your name?
Zamir.
Samir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle. So, yeah.
Yeah, this is like a very good, great thing you're doing.
How is this concept?
It's nice, very nice.
Very nice.
Like you both are friends, right? From
Yes.
how long are you friends?
I 2 years now. I think, yeah.
2 years.
2 years?
Yes,
Okay.
2 years.
You both know each other very well, or something?
I mean, for 2 years, yes, we know.
Yeah, we know a lot.
Okay.
Now
so
we know a lot.
let me ask some questions and you have to answer indirectly.
Okay.
Okay.
Both have to tell yes or no and say that it is right or wrong. Okay.
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 First question is, which is her favorite food?
I told you today. I told you today.
Curd rice.
Curd rice. She
Okay.
got mine.
Okay.
I don't know. I maybe some chaat. Is it some chaat? Is it some chaat? Really?
You don't know
I
about
don't know.
your
Me.
What's the most basic one?
Papa's?
No, it's bel puri.
Oh, bel puri. Okay. Close.
Okay. Which is her favorite place to travel?
Sorry.
Favorite place to travel?
To travel.
Mumbai.
For me, yeah, definitely. For her, I think it'll be like Russia. When you went to Russia, definitely. I think Bangalore is also one of them.
Yeah. Bangalore's one of the specific places.
Okay.
Bangalore is one of them.
What do you do when you are free? What she like to do when she is
She
free?
likes to dance. That's for sure.
She talks to friends and
I always like to talk to friends. We both like to read. That's for sure. And she loves to dance, and I'd always talk to my friends when I'm free.
Who is more funny in you both?
Anushka. This Anushka.
What?
Who's more funny? Yeah, this Anushka. She always makes me laugh. Her laugh is very contagious.
Okay. Who is emotional in you both?
Emotional? I
Yeah.
think she, but I think both of us are very emotional.
But yeah, we're very expressive.
Very, very expressive people.
Okay. Who gets angry more?
I don't get angry. Do you?
It might be me.
I think her. I don't get angry that much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to tell something for my followers and whoever is watching your video?
Uh,
What do you want to tell them?
What do you want to tell them, Anushka?
I think you should, always be open to like something new and like something like this.
Live life.
Yeah,
Live life.
Okay.
Yeah.
जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
Like,
That's all I can say.
what is more important in your life?
Important. Again, friends and family and career.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah.
Peace is most important for me.
Okay. What is that one fear you came out of your life?
What?
One fear people came out of your life.
I think losing people, like losing, not like as in them something happening to them, just like whoever has to come in your life will come, and then
whoever
people
leave.
keep leaving, and you just have to live life and know more people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.